Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and the question for today is remove palindromic subsequences. So given a string S containing only the letters A and B, we have to with the minimum return the minimum number of steps which will make the string empty. All right, so and we can remove one palindromic subsequence from S in one step. All right, so this is the question that is given to us, and these two things are given to us here, that a string is a subsequence of given string that if it is generated by deleting some characters. What it means by this is if A, C, D, E is a string and AE is a substring of this, C cannot be the substring because it is not generated by deleting the characters. All right, and what it means by this is palindrome, and we know that if A, B, A, because if we read a string forward and backwards, if it's same, then we call it as a palindrome. So these two things are given to us, and all right, and these are some examples that are given to us. Let's see the constraint in this case. The constraint in this case here are that the length of the string S will be up to from 0 to 1000, so it can be empty string as well, and it will only contain the letters A and B. All right, so let's see how we're going to solve this problem. So this is the question, and we will solve it. Let's see first an example. So we are given that we are given only one string and it will contain only the characters A and B. So it can be like this. All right, and we have to make it an empty string. Empty string is like this, and it will be done by removing the one step. We will say that if we have performed one step when we delete the palindromic subsequences. All right, so what does it mean by a subsequence? That if we delete this AAA, we will say we have deleted a subsequence. All right, then we are left with B and B. All right, so this will take two steps. All right, because it consists of only A and B, so if we remove A, we are left with B, and if we remove B, then we are left with A. All right, at this point is clear to everyone. All right, so the next point is that if this given string is palindromic itself, suppose the string is A, B, 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 A, so it is a palindromic string. So to remove it, it will take only to make it an empty string. So we will remove this, and it, since it's a palindromic string, so it will only require one operation to remove it. All right, so the answer in this case will be 1. All right, so either it can be 2 or it can be 1. Why it can be 2? Because any string we can generate and it would be a substring, because in substring it's not given that it has to be in the contiguous way. All right, this is very important point to be note, that it should not be in contiguous. It can be from any point, but it should not be front and back. All right, so this is the main hint, or we can say the main reason by which we can get only two answers. Either it will be a 1 or 2. 1 in the case of a palindrome, and 2 when it's not palindrome. All right, so to check if a sequence is palindrome or not, we will require we will require an extra string in which we will concatenate it and we'll check. So it will require O of n time, because we have to traverse the whole string. Also for palindrome, we will be requiring one additional string or additional space to store all the characters, so that at the end we can compare them and give a result. So it will also take O of n time space complexity. I hope this approach is clear to everyone. Let's see the code for this. And here is the code for this. In this function, I have did nothing, but it's a main function. If the string is 0 or null, will return 0, and if it's palindrome, will return 1 or else 2. For palindrome, I have made this function which will return me boolean value, that if it's a palindrome, it will return true or else it will return false. And I'm just comparing the character by character value and using 2 pointers. So I have avoided any extra space in this. So the space complexity for this will be O of 1 because I have not taken any extra string. I'm just traversing the string from forward as well as backward direction. And but the running time will be O of n by 2 in this case, because I am traversing with the help of my 2 pointers, that is I and j. And let's try to submit this code and see. So it's accepted. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like this video, share it among your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.